really started as a creative outlet. It was always a passion and dream to start a brand and actually work with friends and athletes and artists and musicians that were like-minded and shared the same values. RAEN's an independent brand, and we really wanted to be able to truly do it organically and authentic. And our whole thing was well-designed sunglasses that were all handmade. We really wanted to design everything with the best quality Xyl acetate, custom designed cases, and then back it up with legit, authentic marketing.
The number one thing that sets our glasses apart is ours are handmade using Xyl acetate. And Xyl acetate is the industry standard for all high-end optical manufacturing. All colors are embedded into the material. They're not sprayed on. What you see when you buy the frame is what it will be. We use the CR39 polycarbonate lens. Our optics by Carl Zeiss. Very little distortion, full protection, UVA, UVB rays. We use 5-rail hinges on every frame. And we also run a wire core through the temples. The handmade aspect that separates RAEN from other manufacturers is composed of a 4-step process. And that first step starts at the design table. All design is directed and executed in-house at RAEN. Once design is finished, acetate is pulled from the warehouse. Before use, acetate needs to be heat treated for up to a full day. Cut them down to usable sizes. The front shape is cut or milled depending on the design. The shape is continually measured with a micrometer. This is where adjustable wire cores are inserted. Laminations take place to get sort of the building block for the final shape. The wire core allows for increased strength and then also allows the customer to fine-tune the fit. Forming details like bridge shapes are done with heat and pressure. Final details are executed by hand, and this is a part of the quality control process to make sure that every curve of the frame, every bevel is consistent. Each and every component is hand polished on a jeweler grade polishing wheel. Arms are married to the frames with Loctite screws. Lenses are introduced to their finely grooved lens channel. Logos are put on the frame arm. And lastly, technicians put each and every frame up to final fit test. This ensures consistency and quality of each frame that leaves the bag.
All of these components into our frames really give you a great value at the price point they're offering. So one of the main selling points that you can offer if you're selling this on your sales floor to an end consumer is the fact that you're getting a great value. You're getting a product that is using raw materials, branded raw materials that should retail for at least $250. So the fact that you're offering it for $125 is quite frankly amazing. So I would really stress that point when you're trying to sell this, that it's handmade and you're not going to find better quality materials at that price point.
The word of mouth of the sunglasses themselves is what's really driving the brand. It's the pass along where people are talking about the actual quality of the product and how much better it is. And it's because it's handmade. It's Carl Zeiss lens, CR39 lens. The fact that it's a custom designed case within a case, it's attention to detail really, and it's that extra love, that handmade love that goes into the product, and that basically that value. You know, people want higher quality products for what they're spending their money on, and that's why RAEN has been so successful. That's what we started. We're a bunch of designers, and we actually designed something for our friends that we are proud of and stand behind.